What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the OnePlus 6. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the split screen on and off. So if you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody looking for this information, please go ahead and share it with them. So what we're going to want to do is if you have just the apps, let's say we wanted to use the photo app and the Play Store, be sure to open those two apps and close them out just like I did. That'll put them in your recently used area. So once we have those set, the little bottom right hand corner, there's a little square. Go ahead, select that. It takes us to our recently used apps. And when we are here, let's say we want the Google Play Store, there's three dots. Go ahead, select that up there. And we're going to be hitting split screen. So we have set the Google or that Play Store open. And now we're going to just select the photos. And just like that, we have the split screen going. So at this point, you can change the amount that you want. If you want the top to be smaller, top to be bigger, you can slide them around like that. So that's how you turn it on. Let's say you want to get rid of that split screen altogether. What you want to do is just slide down, and just like that, it turns it off. So another thing I wanted to show you guys is with the split screen, when it is on, you will see that that square turned into that double rectangle. So when you select that, you can go ahead, swipe over, and select whatever other app that you want. Another way, so that's how to kind of use that. And if you hit the home button, it still has a split screen saved. So just like that, the top one, it has kind of the priority, it stays in there. And just to get rid of that, once again, swipe all the way down, and just like that, it's every time you X out of it, it automatically turns off. So every time you go back in, you have to turn it back on by hitting the three buttons. So that is how to turn the split screen on and off on the OnePlus 6. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information, please share it with them. And if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks, be sure to check out that playlist in the video description below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.